The representative heuristic is a mental shortcut that allows us to make decisions quickly. It means that when people are judging something, they depend heavily on the frequency or the likelihood of a person or event to the resemblance to a typical case. This heuristic has the consequence that people ignore other factors like chance and independence, so it does not mean that its occurrence is really more probable. We tested this effect by giving people descriptions, and they had to say which picture of which person resembles the description. As an example, we use John. John is a carpenter with few businesses on the side. He enjoys drinking beer with mates. He has a wife, but that does not mean he doesn't hit on other women. John has a history of violence and aggression. He even did some time for public assault. Which of the following men do you think is John? On the right is a person that represents a typical bad guy as portrayed on the television. The tattoos offer the stereotype of bad guy and perhaps cheater. On the left is a man that represents a trustworthy person. Other people choose the person on the right to fit the description, whereas the probability of the person on the left being John is the same or even higher than the person on the right. The person on the right is quite eccentric to look at, while the person on the left is very ordinary. So there are more people like the one on the left. The person on the left could have changed after being incarcerated. But people make an assumption based on the resemblance of something to what you know, and that is the representative heuristic.